So let us start exercise 5.1. Before that, I am giving you two terms, finite AP and infinite AP. What is finite AP and infinite AP? Finite AP means there are only a finite number of terms. That means, see this, 200 is the first term, 250, 300, and it is continuing like this, and it is mentioned that the last term in the terms of AP is end term. Okay, end term is 750. That means it is ending here. So next one, 50, 100, 150, 200. It is ending here. The dot is not, continuation is not represented. So this type of finite number of terms we can call it as finite AP. Okay, next is infinite AP. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is continuing like this. It is represented as continuing. So that means it is not ending. So we can call it as it is a infinite AP. 3, 6. The common difference is 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. And next term, 12 plus 3, 15. And it is going like this. It is also not ending. And the term is not represented in this arithmetic progression. So it is also an infinite AP. Understood? So we can start the exercise 5.1. Okay. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? So some cases are given in this question. You have to find out which are arithmetic progression and not. If it is arithmetic progression, then you have to represent why, reason. Okay. So first one, the taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. So if you are picking one taxi, first kilometer, only 1 kilometer, if you are traveling, the cost is 50. Okay, next each 1 kilometer, second kilometer you have to give more 8 rupees, third kilometer again you have to give more 8 rupees. So first one is, if it is AP, try to make an arithmetic progression series. Okay, so first is 15, that will be the first term I represented here. If you are traveling 2 kilometer, then extra 8 rupees you have to give. So 15 plus 8 you will get 23. Again you are traveling 1 more kilometer, this 23 plus 8 will come 31. Again 1 more kilometer, 31 plus 8, 39. So it is continuing like this, 15, 23, 31, 39. Here, this is the AP. In this case, 15 is the first term. First term, it is very important. First term, common difference, last term, it is very important in this chapter. Okay, so here the first term is 15. First term you can represent it as A1. Next term is 23. So difference between these two numbers, 23 minus 15, you will get 8. That 8 is the common difference. Common difference you can denote it as letter D. So common difference D is equal to 8. So you will get here also 8, 8, and it is continuing like this. Okay. So this is an arithmetic progression. It is observed that the taxi fare is 5 km, first kilometer is 15, and it is increasing 8 for each kilometers. So it is in the form of an AP because every term is 8 more than the preceding. Preceding means just previous term. Okay, every term is 8 more than the preceding term. Next one, the cost of a digging well after every meter of digging, when it cost rupees 150 for the first meter and rising by 50 rupees for each subsequent meter. Same method. First one starting with 150 because it is mentioned that for the first meter the cost is 150. And for rising subsequent meter, 1 by 1 meter, it is again increasing 50 rupees, 50 rupees, 50 rupees. So starting with 150, next term 150 plus 50, 200, next 200 plus 50, 250, next 250 plus 50, 300, and it is going like this. So the common difference is, this is the AP, 150, 200, 250, 300, and it is going like that. So the first term is 150, common difference. 200 minus 150 is equal to 50. So we will get a common difference. So this is also an AP. Next one, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1 by 4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. Okay, so in this case, is this AP or not? I am starting here. Let the initial volume of air in cylinder be V liter. Okay, this is the initial volume. In each stroke, the vacuum pump removes of air remaining in the cylinder at a time. In other words, after every stroke, after every removing, only part of air will remain. After some time, some air will go out and some is remaining. Okay, clearly it can be observed that the adjacent terms of this series do not have the same difference. Maybe the amount of gas is pumping, maybe it is less or large, but we cannot say it is a it has a common difference. Okay, so we can say that it is not an AP. So because what is the reason? Because we cannot say the volume of the gas is going out is constant or not. So we will not get a common difference. So it is not an AP. Okay, so next one, the amount of money in account every year when rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest. See the word compound interest at 8% per annum. So this is AP or not AP? I am telling this is not an AP because this is compound interest. So you have to refer YouTube or you have to refer Google. What is the difference between simple interest and compound interest? If it is in simple interest, then maybe we can say that okay, this is an AP. But in the case of compound interest, we cannot say. This you have to refer and you have to tell me why the compound interest series is not an AP. Okay, this is your assignment. So first question over. This reason you should write, you should reply, and after that I will check and let you know. Okay.